Beach come alive in the evening with music, DJs, and parties that attract both local and tourists. There are several beach bars and restaurants serving fresh grilled tilapia, local dish, and variety of cool drinks and cocktail. But note that outside food and drinks are not allowed. And it is best to bring cash, swimwear, sunscreen, and a towel. The beach is usually open daily from morning until late night, though it can be quieter on a weekend days and busiest on weekends. Although some people say the beach used to be off during Monday and Tuesday, so make sure to confirm before moving. Whether you are looking for a laid-back afternoon by the lake or a fun night out with music and friends, Coco Beach, according to me, offer an unforgettable Ugandan beach experience filled with local culture, great food, and a good vibe.